Благодаря на доцент Бурдин. Миналата година имахме компания, стартъп, мисля, че базирана в Пловдив, иноватори, които се занимават с трансформацията на двигатели с вътрешно горене в такива задвижени с водород. Надявам се те да се развият добре и да продължават активно да се сътрудничат с Automotive клъстъра. Но тази година имаме гости от чужбина, които иновират, т.е. млада, предприемчива и успешна компания. За нея ще разкаже всъщност представител на самата компания от Черна гора, но ще превключа отново на английски, защото последната тема за деня ще бъде представена тъкмо на английски. So we are concluding the first day of the forum with the presentation of entrepreneurs building Montenegro's first electric mobility brand and a smart urban mobility ecosystem for Europe. For this presentation, I would like to welcome on stage the representative of the company behind this innovation, EVOM, and the name of EVOM's representative is Anıl Barış Açık, a guest of the forum for a first year. Welcome on stage, happy to have you.
Okay. Good afternoon, firstly. It's very nice to meet with you. Thank you very much for the Automotive Cluster Bulgaria for this opportunity. Today I will present you EVOM and future vision of Montenegro for urban mobility and also electrical vehicles. I will start with I don't want to make it like exactly formal presentation, so I will just talk, I believe. So sorry. Okay. Firstly, I am a Turkish person who lives in Montenegro for 2 years, nearly 2 years. And as an entrepreneur, if you see some opportunities, you should fill the gaps. When I come to Montenegro, I saw the beauty of the coastline, the beauty of the for the nature, for everything. But Montenegrin economy is definitely dependent on the tourism. So after the exact 4 months, it is just finishing. And when I talk with the Montenegrin young people, which are who are similar near to my age, I heard that they don't want to live in Montenegro anymore after the European integration. Montenegro, we hope that will be the next member of the European member, so we should add a value to the also European Union. And when I thought, when I combined these types of problems of young people, I just thought that we could create some visionary companies, visionary startups from Montenegro, which is like EVOM. EVOM names come from electric vehicle of Montenegro. This is our first car. This is EVOM Nino. You know, traffic and limited parking spaces are the biggest, now getting bigger problems from the European side. And when we thought also about Montenegro, Montenegro is a wonderful test place for testing cars, applying new technologies, and which is very, very good. 5 months ago, I just visited Nikšić Technopolis, like a tech park like similar to Sofia Tech Park, the first techno park in Montenegro. We call Nikšić Technopolis as a manufacturing area, which has lots of 3D printers, nearly 50 3D printers, 8 biggest industrial CNC machines, and also some 3D scanning machines and some ETC materials. But when I saw the space, I saw these materials very, very clean. So I asked the manager of the Technopolis why they are so clean. They said that we don't have a project to combine all of them and use that materials. So I wanted only 2 days from them to wrote the project. I wrote Electric Vehicle of Montenegro project, and after that we started. This project has a wonderful community support from Montenegro. Most of the Montenegrins really love EVOM. They want to see the first prototype in a very close time. We finished the 3D modelings and all the designs, inside, outside, body. Also, we are going on with the molding. We have wonderful partners. We first reached Automotive Cluster Slovenia. Now we became their member. After that, we reached Automotive Cluster Bulgaria. Greetings to them. They also invited us to present you our vision. Now we are forming a supply chain. We just want to form a EVOM-based campus in Nikšić municipality area. Nearly 200,000 square meters. At that place, we want to have an electric engineering faculty and mechanical engineering faculty of University of Crna Gora, and also an R&D center of EVOM and an assembly center of EVOM. By forming our supply chain, we want to invite cluster members of Bulgarian cluster members to our that land. With the opportunities of Montenegro, we have wonderful incentives like wonderful tax incentives in Montenegro and some other good opportunities. Nikšić has a railway to Bar port, which is the only port in Montenegro, which expanding us to all the European side and also US side. Our EVOM Nino has 4-seat car, which has like 40 kilowatt battery, which is LFP battery, because Montenegro is the first ecological country on the world. So we are aiming to protect our nature, which is really important for us. Everybody asks us how you are going to compete with Chinese companies. We are not competing with them. We are not a competitor for them. Our main target is creating an ecosystem with car telemetry. We have a partnership with EIT Urban Mobility. With the EIT Urban Mobility, our only aim is creating an ecosystem with car telemetry, new electric vehicle charger stations in Montenegro, and a car that which we can use for sharing and circular economy. With EVOM, we are also developing EVOM Share application, which so I will just show you. With EVOM Share, you are just, Spark in Bulgaria, you are just coming near the car. You don't need to afford the car fully. You are just renting car an hourly or some minutes. After that, you are leaving the car. So you are just attending the sharing economy. We have some different revenue models for EVOM, like we want to use touristical destinations in Montenegro, like Kotor, Tivat, Budva, and at the north we have Kolesin and Jablak mostly, and also we have some other wonderful cities. We want to locate EVOM cars also to these cities. Tourists are going to come and rent these cars. After then they can leave easily. And also we want to expand EVOM project to European sites like Barcelona, like Sofia, like everywhere in Europe. I'm just going to go. Now, as I told you, we have good partnerships from the European side. We want to assemble the car in Nikšić, but this doesn't show that we are not going to produce anything from Montenegro. We want to create a value from Montenegro, which can help also European ecosystem, because if we are going to be a member, we will have lots of incentives, we will have lots of support, and we should prove that Montenegro can, everybody knows Montenegro with laziness, with tourism, but we aim to change it with EVOM. I hope you like the design. I made the design of EVOM Nino. We have little mountains at the back side. Also in the front, we have little mountains. This is the explanation of EVOM Share application. We are also adding, we are checking all the similar applications, and we just want to make it more accessible and more easier to use for people. We just want to, people to like EVOMs. Why Montenegro? Montenegro has a wonderful testbed, which I told you. Also, in this type of little country and these types of a virgin ecosystem for technology, it is very easy to reach every type of funding, every type of like European funds, also some Montenegrin investment agencies funds. Montenegro is a wonderful tourism destination from all around the world. We are getting nearly 4 million tourists around the world every year, and we can get easily some feedbacks from them. After then, we can apply to our products. Also, yeah, because of that virginity, we have innovation-friendly ecosystem, which is very good. They now opened a new technopark in Podgorica, our capital city, which is mostly focused on technology and software. Now we are going on with the first phase of EVOM. We just finished our designs. We started molding. We are forming our supply chain. I hope with the Automotive Cluster's Bulgarian members, we will be more powerful and we will go very, very fast. We have a big vision to change the future of a country. Montenegro is now little, but we will. I really believe that Montenegro has a future like Singapore, like Dubai. We are also catching wonderful investors from all around the world. It's in Adriatic. We have very good connections with European side for the supply chains and also for the logistics. And I believe that EVOM will be a little fire to affect all the ecosystem. Thank you very much for your listening. Thank you very much for your invitation. It's an honor for me. Have a wonderful day. We are open to collaboration with all the members. Thank you very much again.